Huh?
You probably wouldn't have had to go as fast, though.
No, you can take plenty of time when you start in March. Take care, man.
Luego. $8:31. What is Green Man doing on his phone?
I'm downloading the podcast.
Very good. You have service here?
I have 1 bar of 5GE, so.
Wow.
I haven't had service the whole park.
Yeah, T-Mobile garbage.
It's been pretty good for the most part throughout the trail, but
Except for like when it hasn't been.
Yeah. Pretty sure it's this way to the trail. Yes. I'm not.
Oh, chipmunk. All right, snack time. So I'm gonna make a guess that is Klingman's. Let's see. Sliver of a view below the cloud. Just a little drizzle, drizzle. Looks crowded as fuck up there. First location of mile 666 filming, yeah. All right, this tower marks mile 213 days. So fuck yeah, let's go. Chaos of this fucking here. Jesus Christ. At least it's not foggy or crowded.
Yeah. I hear there's a really great view up there. I can't really see it though.
I can confirm. Cut to good view of sunrise.
I'm checking in tonight.
And now look up, out.
Kind of an emotional, but also just a really great day today. I made it up to Kauai, government name Klingman's Dome.
Woo.
No.
Bye, shit show.
Is Mount Collins the one that's 18?
Oh, you found gap, baby. Let's go.
That's
It's pretty dope. Life's pretty good.
Dude, thank you so much. You're a real hero.
Yeah.
Boom.
All right, guys.
Thank you.
You guys enjoy.
Will do.
Maine?
Yeah, all the way up to Mount Katahdin in Maine.
Isn't that by Boston up there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's 2,200 miles. Yep.
Oh, shoot, you lost.
You guys are brave. It's okay, he'll drive.
Rule number 2, once you turn your answer it is final. Discuss it amongst yourselves. Make sure you have what you think is the right answer. Now walk around and get it, Mike.
This is a sign, evidence that there is someone up there watching out for them. Watching out for them.
What is that going on?
It's just from like don't film my penis. It's from I think my shoes being duck-footed, being wet and sandy, and just scraping them and bushwhacking Maybe some poison ivy. I don't know.
Wow. All right, I'll clean them up for you, baby doll.
Yay!
And then I'll put Neosporin on it, okay?
Okay.